Hey everybody, I'm Jimmy the Bearded Biker with Moto Nation USA, and I'm talking about essential equipment for touring. What am I talking about? Stick around and
Whether coming or going, Moto Nation USA, always.
Alright, just as promised, here I'm talking about essential equipment. And this, I got a small tool kit that I carry on my bike. Easily fits in the saddlebag. And what it's got in it is some needle nose pliers, some side cutters, some tweezers, a few Phillips and regular head with a driver, a few nuts, and some small screwdrivers. Why would this be important? Well, recently I had a flat tire, and in order to get that nail out, well actually it was a screw, I needed and used these needle nose pliers to pull it out in order to use my plug kit. You can see that video in the link down below. I did it in real time, so you can see that it's not the easiest thing in the world to do. I had a little difficulty with it. Most people just don't do it as a professional level, plugging tires. Hopefully you'll never become a professional at it, and it's always new to you. I hope you never have to do it. But in the event that you do, you're going to want one of these, and it comes in handy. So I'm not recommending a brand, but I am recommending a product. Small toolkit, invaluable, essential equipment for traveling, touring on a motorcycle. I'm Jimmy the Bearded Biker, and I hope to see you on the road. Hey everybody, I'm Jimmy the Bearded Biker with Moto Nation USA, and I'm talking about essential equipment for touring. What am I talking about? Stick around.